Arms back. Step, arms up.
How do you do this fast?
Cross. That's the problem. You can't. I can't do it.
Cross. Up.
Mm-hmm.
Cross. Up.
No. And then hip.
Yep.
No, wrong hip.
Oh.
Hip.
Yep.
Now do it backward.
Okay.
So cross. Arms down.
Mom,
No.
help her.
Leg up. Cross. Nope. Left leg. Cross. Backward.
Hey dudes, can I do this?
No, what? No, what?
And then
I do tape.
right leg back. Arms to the left.
Okay.
Okay, go.
I like
Sure,
the shimmy,
okay.
shimmy, shimmy, shimmy.
How do I do this?
Shimmy, shimmy.
Hey, I just need one first.
You doing the walking?
Huh?
You doing the walking? What we were just doing?
Yeah.
Okay. Turn around.
I like to go up.
Right leg cross. Arms back. Now step with your left leg over to the left and arms up. Turn sideways. So they're slightly behind you. And up on your toe. Okay. Now, left leg cross. Bring your arms down. Now bring your right leg back and up on your toe. That way. Up on your toe. There you go.
It is.
And arms up.
And arms up.
Now, right leg cross. Bring your arms down.
We're learning dance moves.
Cross.
Down. And now bring the left leg out. Up to your toe.
Leg out.
What was the one before it?
Hey, I want to do the
That we did where I went like this.
The Jimmy, Jimmy,
Wait,
come on
Jimmy,
over.
Jimmy,
This is
Jimmy, Jimmy,
Wait,
come
hold on.
on over.
Right. How do you do it?
Jimmy, Jimmy.
Wait. Bring your knee up on your tiptoe.
Jimmy,
Jimmy, Jimmy.
Jimmy.
Get your hips going.
Wait, how do you do the hips? Jimmy,
Jimmy, Jimmy, come on over. Jimmy, Jimmy,
Come on over.
And I swear to God, if I see this on
Jimmy.
Facebook, I'm gonna beat your
Come
ass.
on over.
Hey, I got that threat on video.
That's all right with me. That's all right with me. So, I'll
Okay.
beat your ass.
What else you got?
Hey, I want to do this.
Do what?
Jimmy, Jimmy.
Jimmy, Jimmy.
Come on over. So when Jimmy, our uncle, comes over, you go,
Jimmy,
Jimmy,
Jimmy, come on over.
Wait, it's like Jimmy, Jimmy.
Did you see his little wiggly butt?
Do that again, Caleb. How'd that go?
It went like.